Let's talk about the naturalization exam changes in late 2025, early 2026. And so if you submitted your naturalization application before October 20th, 2025, you can take the old naturalization test. But if you submitted your naturalization application after October 20, 2025, you have to take the new one, which requires you to prepare using an increased question bank. And that means there are more questions that you have to prepare for. And you will be asked 20 questions, and you have to get 12 correct to pass. There are other requirements to be aware of, and we're happy to share with you those requirements, and you can also find out what they are on USCIS's website. Another thing to note is that you should also consider, how did you obtain your green card? And sometimes clients don't realize that they should bring underlying evidence of them obtaining their green card. So let's say, for example, they obtain their green card through marriage, but they forget to bring evidence of their marriage to the naturalization exam. So that's very important to actually bring, because the officer may ask for your proof of your marriage and may ask questions similar to what the officer asked during your green card interview of your marriage to a U.S. citizen. And so those are things to be aware of and bring. So for example, rent, mortgage, if you have children together, their U.S. citizen birth certificates, taxes that you pay together. And so those are things that you have to be aware of in your underlying claim. And make sure to bring the marriage evidence there. They may make a copy of it, and be aware that there are going to be questions about that. And also note the following tips. For example, you want to prepare for the civics exam early, because there are more questions and you have to be prepared for them. And you want to be aware that, okay, there are more questions, but it's okay. Just practice little by little and you'll be fine. You want to fill out the form correctly. Happens a lot where the applicants do not include their travel history, and the USCIS officer may even have that information in his or her computer. So you want to check your passport and check the visa stamps, double check that you have correct information on your travel history. And another tip is make sure all your taxes are paid and everything's all okay there. And if you have questions, we're happy to help. We can help you review your form, help you do mock interviews, and if you have any questions about it, feel free to contact us.